Here's the right way to create your Facebook business account in 2023.
Okay, let's get straight into it. So setting up your Facebook Business Manager, what you'll do is you'll go to business.facebook.com and then you're going to create an account. You're going to type in your Facebook profile, email, and password. When you're logged in, then what you'll do is you'll click on create an account and you're going to then just call whatever your business name is. So that could be, let's say XYZ. This. Just type in an email here. All right, when your account's created, it's going to look like something like this. You're going to click on it. Inside of the business settings, then here are a few things that you have to do before starting to set up your ads and go forth with this. So firstly, you need to add all the people you need inside of your business ad account. So, or business manager. So here you can just click on add and you can invite the people that you need here that's going to be helping you. It could be an agency, it could be some of your employees, whoever. You can just add all of them here by email and it will send the invite to them, to the business manager, and they can come inside and do here what they need to. Partners, this is if you're going to partner with another company, not merging, more in the sense of, say if you have an agency that is going to be running all of this stuff, you can partner with their business manager, and what will happen, your ad accounts, Facebook page, everything will be as well in their business account, if that makes sense, right? Pages, this is going to be where you have to connect your Facebook pages. This is very important that you have to do this in another video. It will be linked in this video, or it will be linked here. It will show you how to set up your Facebook page, the proper way to set up your Facebook page. So from here, you can add your Facebook page. You can just add a page, request access to a page if it's not yours, but most likely it's going to be your page. And then you can create a new page. So if you do not have a page already, you can from here create a new page. We're not going to do that right now. We will just add our Facebook page here. And how you do that is you're just going to type in the name of your own page, and it will then show you how you can exactly add that page to your Facebook Business Manager. Next part is going to be, if you want to add Instagram, you are planning to run ads on Instagram as well. Here you can add your Instagram. You can just follow the steps, connect the Instagram account. You're going to log in from here into your Instagram. So you're just going to put in all your logins that is for your Instagram, and it will connect your Instagram to your Facebook Business Manager. Next part is WhatsApp. If you are planning to run WhatsApp ads, meaning run ads on Facebook and Instagram and directing traffic or directing your clicks to WhatsApp so you can take it from there, meaning talk to them on WhatsApp, make sales from there, you can add your WhatsApp to here. So this, how it's going to be added is you're going to choose your country code in here. You're going to then add your number, and what will happen is it's going to send you a verification to that WhatsApp, and that way it will connect to your Facebook Business Manager page. So that is how you connect your WhatsApp. Cool. Then pixels, we're not going to go through this in this. That could be in another video, how to set up a Facebook pixel. The Facebook pixel is basically for tracking on your website or landing pages, meaning if someone goes from Facebook onto your landing page or website, you can track exactly what they did there, not specifically to the person, but you can track what people are doing in your website, and you can then learn Facebook what is the right people to target, meaning Facebook will see which of the people it's sending to your website is purchasing or, becoming leads or scheduling or doing the desired actions you want, and they will help you find more of those people. So that's what the pixel's for. Then very important is payment methods. You want to be adding your payment method. So when you run ads on Facebook, of course, it's going to charge you per impression. So you need to add your payment method here. So how you do that is you just add payment method, assign to myself. And then what you'll do is you'll just choose your region, your currency, the way you want to be paying, and you'll just follow all the steps it asks you, and it will then set up. And that is most of it. Now, what we want to be doing here is we want to create an ad account.
The advertising is going to be done in the ad account. So you're going to be creating your campaigns inside of that ad account with your ads and everything you're going to be doing with the advertising. All of that's going to be done in the ad account.
So here you want to be creating a new ad account. So you'll call this whatever you want. So this would be now for your business. So you'll call it maybe something, your business ad account, whatever. Time zone, this is very important. Choose the time zone which you are located in. Currency, same thing. Use your currency. You'll say next, and you'll say for my business. All right, when you have your ad account set up, now inside of your ad account, you're going to go open in Ads Manager. And here inside of Ads Manager, you're going to set up all, so you can read all of this, and you just have to accept that. Done. And now here you can start setting up all your campaigns that you want to be doing, and we're not going to go through that in this video. So this is your ad account, and this is where you can now run your ads for your business and create your campaigns. What you want to be doing is, if you have any other employees that needs to be in this ad account, you can just click here on add people and just make sure you tick their boxes here. So this one's already in here. You can just go and tick a box for anyone else that needs to be in there. So that's basically everything that you need to know about setting up your Facebook business account, creating an ad account, getting everything set up to get ready to run your ads.
So that's it for setting up a Facebook business account for 2023. Don't mind, like and subscribe to my channel. I talk about online marketing related topics, AI, tutorials, all that mumbo jumbo. Thank you so much for watching, and take it easy.